My TikTok is going viral. 400,000 views. Oh, really? Shit. My TikTok is going viral. What? What's up, guys? My name's Daniel Hale. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you for joining us. We talk about all things social media and help you guys how to blow up on TikTok, Instagram, all things online. So stay tuned. Today, we're gonna talk about 5 different ways to help you guys go viral on TikTok. My TikTok, I'm new to it. You guys know me as an Instagrammer, and now I'm on TikTok. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did over the last 2 weeks to help me blow up my following and get this thing going. So tip number 1, find your niche. Who are you? What do you represent? Who do you want to follow you? And that way you will also know who you plan on targeting. This is one of the most important things because you want them to bucket you in your niche, so that way you guys go viral in that field and it represents you and shows you what you are. This is also gonna help you guys discover the hashtags that you guys wanna use, which is a really important thing. You always wanna find out what hashtags are currently going viral and which ones are trending right now so that you guys can use them and get to the top of that trend. Tip number 2, when you discover that niche, go find the top 10 people in that niche that have the most followers on TikTok and follow them. Scroll down their page, see what they're doing, see what things that they have done that are very common that they keep reusing, see what hashtags they're using, see what captions they're using, and pay attention to the quality of their videos. So this way you can emulate that and make sure that you guys will also blow up in that niche and your TikTok will increase its followers and engagement. Because if they're the top in that niche, then guess what? You're definitely gonna wanna be doing what they're doing. Tip number 3, insert value in your videos. This is the most important thing. I'm telling you guys, when people follow you and they check out your channel, it's because they like the value that you provided in your video, which got them to your profile. Now, that value could be something as simple as comedy, it made them laugh. It could be a prank, it made them laugh. It could be education. People like to be taught stuff, so if you teach them something in their niche and they think it's valuable, they're definitely gonna go and follow you. All that stuff is important. It could be a dance, and the reason why that is value is because people see it and they go, oh, I wanna try and learn that dance. This person's good. I'm gonna follow him so I can keep learning his dances and redo them on my page. Put value in your videos so it keeps them on your page. Tip number 4. The most important thing on TikTok. Hold them as long as you can throughout your video. Remember this saying, minutes matter most, okay? For TikTok, it's more like seconds matter most because your videos are only 15 seconds long, 10 seconds long. But if you can keep people watching from start to finish, TikTok is going to put it on the For You page. And the reason for that is because they want to keep people on their app. So if they know a large amount of audience is watching your video and they're staying on that video, they're gonna keep reusing that and spreading it around the For You page, sharing it, making sure a lot of people see it because they keep watching that video and they stick to it. That's where the value matters, that's where tricks matter, dances, pranks, all that stuff. It keeps them for the video longer. Do that. Keep them on your page. Tip number 5, make sure you're shooting high quality content. This is really important. If your video is blurry, redo it, all right? Try to do your best to make sure the quality control is there consistently throughout your whole page. TikTok likes high quality content. All social media apps like high quality content. So make sure that is one thing that you're doing. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bonus tip here for you guys. Go to TikTok, all right? Go to the search in TikTok, and what you're gonna see is when you go to discover, it already has all the trending hashtags there for you. It has trending content, who's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you keep scrolling down, what's gonna happen is you're gonna see niches and you're gonna see the videos. Now, because you have that content now and you have that, you guys will understand. I'm gonna recreate that content. I'm gonna also see on the discovery which hashtags are currently viral. Use those hashtags. Put them in your content. Create videos using that page. The discovery page is the biggest thing that's gonna help you guys, I promise. You can do a ton of research there. Find out what content is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure you guys do that, all right? Use that page. Find the trending hashtags that are in the discovery. Go and jump on the challenges, do all that stuff. That's how you guys are gonna win. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. I will answer all of them. Don't forget, guys, subscribe down below for all things social media marketing. I'm gonna help you guys blow up on social media, and I'll see you guys next time.